Welcome to your quick guide on how to add sections in Asana. Whether you're managing a team, tracking projects, or just trying to keep your personal tasks organized, breaking down your work into manageable sections can really boost your productivity. So let's dive in and see how you can achieve this in Asana. First things first, head over to the Asana website. It's the go-to place for managing teamwork, projects, and tasks online. The interface is user-friendly and navigating through the site is quite straightforward. Once you're there, you'll notice a login button. Click on it. Asana offers various ways to log in, but for a seamless experience, especially if you're already using Google services, the Continue with Google option is your best bet. It simplifies the login process by linking your Google account directly to Asana. Upon clicking Continue with Google, you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you wish to log in with. Select the account you're using for professional or task management purposes to keep everything organized and in sync. After you've successfully logged in, it's time to focus on your tasks. Look for the My Tasks section. This is where all your individual tasks are listed, a great starting point for organizing your workday or week. Now, suppose you have a project that's starting to look a bit overwhelming due to the number of tasks. It's time to tidy things up by adding sections. To begin, click on More Actions, which is often indicated by 3 dots or a similar icon depending on the Asana interface updates. In the More Actions menu, you'll find the Add Section option. This is your ticket to categorizing those tasks. Click on Add Section, and a new field will appear, prompting you to name this freshly minted section. The name you choose should reflect the category or phase of the project this section will represent. For example, if you're working on a marketing campaign, sections like planning, execution, and review might be apartment. Once you've typed in your desired section name, hit enter, and voila, you've successfully added a new section to your project in Asana. This not only helps in keeping your tasks well organized, but also enhances the visual clarity of your project, making it easier to track progress and prioritize work. Now, a couple of tips to remember. First, don't hesitate to rename a section if its focus shifts or if you find a label that better captures its essence. Second, you can add as many sections as you need. The goal is to make your project as navigable and understandable as possible for you and anyone else involved. And there you have it, an easy step-by-step guide to adding sections in Asana, ensuring your projects are neatly organized and more manageable. Remember, effective task management is about progress, not perfection. Tailor your sections to what works best for you and your team, and you'll be well on your way to a more organized and productive workflow. Happy organizing? Happy